These Bam niggas done did it again.
Breaker 19. I am here now and all the competition are dead. There are no survivors. I'm here now. I repeat, they're all dead. Do you copy?
Roger that, roger that. My team bout green rondo, roger that. I take the line to the head like a Dodger hat. I do it big, baby, where they do it larger.
Let the choir sing.
My shorty say, you know you need, you know you need,
What's good, world? It's your boy Steve-O. You know, repping out of Bam. I'm out here in DeKalb and NIU and shit, getting this bread, man. But I'm coming back to fuck with my niggas, man. On March 11th, this Thursday at Adriana's. We all gonna go in. Oh, so Bamish, you know what I'm saying? Damo birthday today. Happy birthday to my nigga Damo. We got J-Mo birthday coming up. You know what I'm saying? We just finna have a good time, man. Y'all come out, get it in. Y'all leave all the bullshit at the crib, cause y'all gonna get bounced quick than a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So motherfuckers just come out, man. Let's get it.
The Empire.
How come getting money never gets boring? How come getting money never gets boring?